Welcome, gardeners. Beans are one of the most popular and versatile vegetables you can grow. Whether you enjoy them fresh from the vine or dried for hearty soups, beans are a must-have in any garden. Today, we'll cover two common types of beans, pole beans and bush beans, and the key differences between them. Let's start with bush beans. These beans grow in a compact bush-like form. They only reach about 1 to 2 feet in height, perfect for small gardens or containers. Bush beans don't require trellises, making them low maintenance. They grow and mature quickly. From planting to harvest, you'll have beans ready in about 50 to 60 days. Now, let's talk about pole beans. These are natural climbers, growing upwards and can reach up to 6 to 10 feet tall. They need support, like a trellis or garden stakes. Pole beans take around 60 to 70 days to mature. They produce continuously throughout the growing season. So, what's the big difference? Bush beans are great for small spaces and quick harvests. Pole beans are ideal for a continuous supply of beans in larger spaces. Both types thrive in full sun and well-drained soil. Keep them watered, especially during flowering. Beans are a productive and rewarding crop for any garden. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy growing!